Question 2, multiply 5x to the third power times 2x to the seventh power minus 9x plus 4. So here we are multiplying a monomial by a trinomial. Okay, if you want to use a rectangle, use an area model. Okay, your area model is going to look like this. Okay, we have a monomial, so we just need one row, but then we have a trinomial, 1, 2, 3, so we need to give 3 spaces for the width of that rectangle. So we're going to write out the length, the 5x to the third power to the left, and then that width in 3 separate parts. Each term gets its own part, so 2x to the seventh power minus 9x plus 4. And then we're going to multiply length times width for each of those rectangles. So 5x to the third power multiplied by 2x to the seventh power, multiply the numbers, 5 times 2 and you got 10. And then you have x to the third power times x to the seventh power, which is x to the 10th power. Okay, next section of our rectangle is 5x to the third power times negative 9x. 5 times negative 9 is negative 45, and then we have x to the third power times x, which brings us to x to the fourth power. Okay, common mistake is we see the 3 and we don't see a number by the x alone, so you just leave x to the third power, but remember that you're multiplying by x one more time if you see x alone. So if it was x to the third power and x to the first power, that's a total of x to the fourth power. Okay, last rectangle, we're multiplying 5x to the third power, that's the length over here, by the width of 4. 4 times 5 is 20, and then we just keep that x to the third power. So our product, when we multiplied, was 10x to the 10th power minus 45x to the fourth power plus 20x to the third power.